Looking for a fun way to win up to 25 times your money this basketball season? Test your skills on Prize Picks, the most exciting way to play daily fantasy sports. Just select 2 or more players, pick more or less on their projection for a wide variety of stats, and place your entry. It's as easy as that. If you have the skills, you can turn $10 into $250 with just a few taps. Easy gameplay, quick withdrawals, and injury insurance on your picks are what make Prize Picks the #1 daily fantasy sports app. Ready to test your skills? Join the Prize Picks community of more than 7 million players who have already signed up. Right now, Prize Picks will match your first deposit up to $100. Just visit prizepicks.com/get100 and use code GET100. That's code GET100 at prizepicks.com/get100 for a first deposit matchup to $100. Prize Picks, daily fantasy sports made easy. Looking for a fun way to win up to 25 times your money this football season? Test your skills on Prize Picks, the most exciting way to play daily fantasy sports. Just select 2 or more players, pick more or less on their projection for a wide variety of statistics, and place your entry. It's as easy as that. If you have the skills, you can turn $10 into $250 with just a few taps. Easy gameplay, quick withdrawals, and an enormous selection of players and stat options are what make Prize Picks the #1 daily fantasy sports app. Ready to test your skills? Join the Prize Picks community of more than 7 million football fans who have already signed up. Right now, Prize Picks will match your first deposit up to $100. Just visit prizepicks.com/get100 and use code GET100. That's code GET100 at prizepicks.com/get100 for a first deposit matchup to $100. Prize Picks, daily fantasy sports made easy.
Yogsonik Dynamics.
Okay, we're in. Thanks, Blip.
Join us, Sylvia Rivera, played by Tisha. Knits with his buddy Blip, played by Nico Rodriguez. Don't fall for Yogsonik.
Hey, we're kind of short on time, so just do the script.
Okay. Z.OUS, played by Richard Collins. And Game Master, Adam Culbertson. From Creative Typo Entertainment, you're jacked into Dreadtech Incorporated.
So Ruby says to Aurora, you can turn off blackout mode and let them enjoy the view going back into the city.
Oh, Z.OUS, you're going to really like that.
Yeah, it sounds pretty interesting. Thanks a lot.
Of course. So y'all get back in. Venom just sat in the cockpit the whole time, but you like see her sticking, like she's just sitting there and she's just like sticking the sticker on the back of her phone or on the back of her agent.
Nice.
Yeah, y'all were able to fly back into the city. I mean, same amount of time. And yeah, you're able to see the view of everything.
Like the whole time, like Z.OUS was going to be just like face pressed against the glass.
With tendrils everywhere.
Tentacles on the window.
Like, oh man, this view is crazy. Man, even the biggest junk piles look so small here.
Yeah, Z.OUS, have you ever been to that junk pile right there? The one down there? Have you ever seen that one?
I don't know. I mean maybe, but it's hard to tell from up here.
Do you travel to a lot of other junkyards, or do you mostly just stay in the one junkyard?
I mean, it's pretty much just in the one, but I mean, I guess I've been in a couple of them. It's hard to tell.
Fascinating.
I mean, there are these like underground tunnels, and I don't know, sometimes you come in up at a place that's a little different.
Could I fit in one of those underground tunnels, or are they like smaller?
Well, I don't know if I'd fit in the tunnels anymore, but I mean, before when I was smaller, I could.
Oh, I got ya. Well, that's disappointing, but that sounds cool.
I don't know. Maybe we can widen some of the tunnels or something.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. I'll totally go in the tunnels with you. Blip can come too. Sylvia, do you want to go sit in some tunnels?
No, thank you. That sounds, like an unfunded use of time when we have a goal.
You could just like imagine being underground with just tons and tons of garbage right above your head and just thinking you're trapped in this small little tunnel. And it could lead anywhere, or you could just be like stuck in there for days. And you never know what garbage heap you're under.
You see Sylvia's eyes tear up a little bit as she's looking off to the side, looking out the window.
Yeah, I mean, it's a really beautiful thought, yeah? I mean, it's like inspirational, You never know what kind of junk you could be under.
She puts her head kind of on her hands, or her hands on her head a little bit, and starts just looking at her phone. Are we almost there?
Yeah, it's land. It's starting to land, like as you say that.
Just listen, being underneath a pile of rubble is not something that I'm looking forward to doing or imagining. So, yeah, no thank you. I'm good on that. You go and spend your time doing something so insanely useless and enjoy it. Yeah, you go do that if that's what you'd like to imagine. You know that Yogsonik's out here murdering people and turning them into goo, but if you want to go and sit under a pile of junk when somebody could come attack you or do basically whatever, you go ahead, you just do that. You hang out underneath rubble and sit there for fun while people are being turned into goo and attacked by proboscis monsters, and I'll just go save the world by myself. Sounds good. Enjoy Nits.
Well, I can help you save the world first, and then I'll go check out the junkyard. Z.OUS was saying he has to make the tunnels bigger anyways with his friends, so got plenty of time. I'll save the world first, and then I'll go check out the junk pile tunnels.
Cool. You have fun with that.
Oh, okay.
Come mierda.
Yeah, so y'all get out of the gyro, and you're heading over towards where the stairs are, and y'all actually startle like a small group of pigeons, and they fly off into the air. Like they were around the corner on the other side of the parking garage. They were blocked from the gyro's wind, so like y'all got over there and they're just like I can't make a pigeon noise. I don't think that's it either.
No, it's kind of more like a
Yeah.
But do you hear the flapping of the wings too? And I'm trying to do both at the same time for some reason.
You're flapping your hands.
We aren't safe here. We need to go. They have government spies. They're following us. We need to leave now. Where's the closest safe house? And she asks Aurora.
Oh, she's like, yeah, one of the girls should have sent it to you on your agent.
Okay. Sylvia pulls up her agent. As she does that, she pulls her gun out and she starts like aiming at the pigeons and shooting them. I assume
You just start shooting at the pigeons.
Yeah, she starts shooting the pigeons.
Oh, okay.
And then she's running as well. Cover! You guys, get cover. They're spying on us. They're gonna know exactly where we are, and they are working with Yogsonik. Hurry up. Get undercover. They're looking at us.
Well, I guess we don't have anything else to do, so we may as well get out of here. But
yeah, Sylvia's running.
When Sylvia first said that they were spying on us, I started a bug scan through Blip to look for bugs anywhere around or any kind of spy tech. And then she started shooting at the birds and running away. And I'll start running too. I have no idea what's happening. But definitely confused.
just don't leave me behind,
How far are we away from Nitz's van?
You'd have to go down the stairs for just a couple floors, and you could get in the van.
Yeah, she's going to bypass the van because she doesn't want the government spies to see her getting in that van.
Mm-hmm. Y'all noticed that, like, you started freaking out talking about spies and shit, and Aurora hopped back in the gyro and they took off.
It's like, Z.OUS like gets up to the van and, hey Sylvia, like your van's right here. You missed it.
I don't want them to see me getting in that van. Then they'll know. They'll associate me with the van.
But look. I know that the picture on it's not exactly flattering, but I mean, you can get in the van.
It's not that it's ugly. It's that we use that van. It's our. I don't want them to tie it together. Then every time every time they see the van, they'll know that I'm in it.
Well, I don't know. You got another one in the cars?
Nitz, you have that cardigan.
Yeah, I've got the cardigan.
Pull out the card again. Then.
Oh, got you. I thought you said cardigan.
The cardigan.
The floral cardigan that I'm wearing.
Yeah.
The cardigan from the cardigan.
Again,
yeah, pull out the car again from the cardigan.
Out of the cardigan. All right, I pull out Knight Rider. I chuck it on the ground.
Sylvia looks up. Are there any birds?
No, there's no birds, and you're inside of the parking structure now.
She hops in the driver's seat.
I'll let you. I mean, can I take my van? Are we all riding in this?
If you want to never be able to drive in your van safely again, then go ahead. Take your van. But otherwise, get in. Now. We're leaving.
All right. I'll get in and...
Is there like enough space like to fit all three of us normally?
In Knight Rider?
Shit.
Like,
in Kit.
Like, is it a 2-seater? Is it a 4-seater? Like...
I think it's... I think I had a back seat.
I don't rightly recall.
We're looking up fucking the seating of Kit.
How many passengers can
it's got
hold?
a bench back seat. It's got two buckets up front and a bench in the back.
Okay.
It's important questions.
It is.
come with me if you want to leave.
Are we going for a ride, Nitz?
Like, Z.OUS will hop in the car and just kind of climb through to the back. Like, won't even like lift the seat or whatever mechanism. Like just kind of scuttles like back into the back.
Yeah.
Well, it's a T-top, right? You can got plenty of right in there.
Yeah, if it's open.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll leave it open so Sylvia can shoot birds as they're driving. If there are any. She'd leave it open.
All right, so y'all take off in Kit?
Yeah.
Or do you respond to Kit?
Oh, not Nitz. It's me, Sylvia.
Hi,
let's
Sylvia.
go fast. There are people chasing us, spying.
On it.
Looking over the details on the bug scanner, and I really don't see anyone looking into us. It looks like we're clear.
Did you not see those? And she does the air quotes, pigeons.
I mean, I guess I did.
And you do know that bears aren't real. They are government drones to spy on you.
I look at Sylvia with my mouth wide open and just stare at her.
I see.
I guess I didn't realize things.
It's a common theme.
So where are we going?
We are going to drive around in a few circles, and then we are going to somewhere safe.
Okay. Just remember, we promised to get a chug burger.
A chug burger. Okay.
Yogsonik Dynamics has interrupted this feed. to provide you with your daily dose of capitalism from our sponsors.
Do you enjoy the finer things in life? Do you think that what we put in our bodies should be thoughtful and that food is meant to be an experience? Well, then you can. Chug right off, because this is Chug Burger, and we don't do that!
With the Lucky Land Slots, you can get lucky just about anywhere.
This is your captain speaking. We've got clear runway and the weather's fine, but we're just going to circle up here a while and get lucky. No, nothing like that. It's just these cash prizes add up quick. So I suggest you sit back, keep your tray table upright, and start getting lucky.
Play for free at LuckyLandSlots.com. Are you feeling lucky? No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited by law. 18 plus terms and conditions apply. See website for details.
It is Ryan here, and I have a question for you. What do you do when you win? Like, are you a fist pumper, a woohooer, a hand clapper, a high fiver? I kind of like the high five, but if you want to hone in on those winning moves, check out Chumba Casino. At ChumbaCasino.com, choose from hundreds of social casino-style games for your chance to redeem serious cash prizes. There are new game releases weekly, plus free daily bonuses, so don't wait. Start having the most fun ever at ChumbaCasino.com.
No purchase necessary. VGW. Void where prohibited by law. See terms and conditions. 18 plus.
Yogsonik Dynamics appreciates your mandatory attention. Now back to your regularly scheduled broadcast.
What is your next plans? Yeah, at this point, I would say it's starting to become morning again.
Okay.
The sun's coming up after all that time with Ruby's razors and y'all driving around.
Yeah, I think that Sylvia would have taken a couple pictures with Venom if Venom would have let her.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, maybe like a short video or something while they were walking up the stairs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she probably, I guess, I don't know, what do we do? We're going to Chug Burger?
Oh yeah, I wouldn't mind a little bit of grub right now.
Yeah, okay, let's head to a Chug Burger. I'm exhausted, if you would like to drive, Nits.
Yeah, I can take over.
The car's driving itself.
Oh, well.
It is self-driving, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
It's self-driving.
Never mind.
It is sentient.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool, yeah.
Yeah, because y'all have been up for 24 hours at this point, and it's breakfast at Chug Burger right now.
So we pull in.
So I suppose they probably have a breakfast jug, right?
Yeah.
Sylvia leans over to Nits and says, I would like a large coffee with oat milk.
Okay. Hello?
And a
Welcome to
strawberry.
Chug Burger.
And a strawberries, if they have strawberries.
Okay. All right. I got you.
So you're like leaning over Sylvia, giving the order?
Yeah, I'm leaning over because she's still in the driver's seat. Hello? You guys working?
Welcome to Chug Burger. Breakfast, most important meal of the day. Chug Burger morning.
Yeah. Chug Burger morning to you too. Can I get 3 coffees? No sugar in any of them, but could I get oat milk in one, please?
What size?
Could you chug size them, please?
Chug size coffee, one with oat milk.
Yeah, exactly. And could I get order of Chug Browns? Can I get those extra crispy? And
Chug Brown's extra crispy. Would you like a 3 count or 4 count?
Oh, could I? Yeah. We'll go ahead and get the 4 count. 4 count sounds good. We need a Chug Burger too. Can I get the Chug Burger?
The Chug Burger breakfast.
Yeah, Chug Burger breakfast. Does that come with more Chug Browns?
It's bigger than a normal Chug Burger because breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Oh, yeah, that sounds good. I'll do one of those. Z.OUS, do you want anything?
Yeah. One of those the Chug breakfast thing sounds pretty good.
Okay, could you make it 2 of the Chug breakfast things?
Well, yeah. Would you like for me to add 2 of the coffees on it as a combo?
Oh yeah, we could do a combo.
It comes with apple pie or cherry pie.
Could I get that with a cherry pie? Oh, could I get an order of strawberries? You wanted strawberries, right? Yeah, strawberries.
One fruit cup, all strawberries.
Yeah, one fruit cup, strawberries.
You wanted a chug size?
Yeah,
No.
yeah. No, don't chug size the strawberries.
And don't forget Manrose's order.
Oh, the Chug Burger is his for the Chug breakfast. I just got the Chug Browns.
The 4-count
Can I
Chug
get extra
Browns.
ketchup packets and maybe some handy wipes? All right, I think that does it.
All right, yeah, pull around for your total.
You got to pull around for the total now.
I'm not driving.
Oh, yeah.
Kit pulls
around
up
for the total. Tell the car.
Yeah.
Kit, pull up.
All right, you pull up, and that armored like hatch opens up. You see a digital read of your total. That order's like, I don't even remember the last price of the order, but that's like 55 credits.
We're just gonna expense it.
It's my per diem.
And Nitz, are you going to pay?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Sorry. I lean over again and pay.
Good job, buddy. She pats him on the shoulder.
Thanks.
Here's your order. Have a chug-tastic day.
Sylvia
You
leans
too.
back so you can grab it.
I'll lean over and grab everything. Try not to spill the coffee on Sylvia.
So you get into the bag and you notice that there's nothing wrong. Like as kids driving away, you notice nothing's wrong with the order. Like the breakfast crew's like on top of it. The coffee actually has oat milk in it.
Nice.
Yeah. Huh. Breakfast crew. I mean, they even put the handy wipes in here. Look at them.
And you got like 2 handfuls of ketchup packets.
Do you want some ketchup packets, Z.OUS?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Here you go. Here's 1 handful.
Okay.
Like he'll just pop one in his mouth.
You hear it pop when he bites down on it. It just squirts ketchup all inside of his mouth, and it like squirts out, but it like goes all over his tendrils.
Oh man, it's got a good gushy center.
No.
Oh my god. Oh fuck.
I think that we should get back to headquarters and get some rest and clean up maybe a little bit. And she reaches in the bag for a handy wipe and hands it to Z.OUS.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Okay, Kit, can you take us back to headquarters?
Yes, Sylvia.
Gracias.
Oh man, your van's just in a parking garage.
Yep.
Oh no. What might happen to it?
My poor van.
Maybe it'll get tagged. Oh no, we're destroyed because they think it's a different gang.
some new up and coming gang.
The tie-dye dragons.
Who's the tie-dye dragons? On our turf?
All right, so y'all get back to the DDA. You're not going to pick up the van?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
I think after all this stuff, I'm kind of running out of spell slots, to be honest. So I could use some rest.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about you used up all your spell slots.
Yeah, when I was looking at the boat, I was making sure I had a spell slot for that to summon the boat. So
yeah. All right, and then you used it on the car.
Yep.
Yeah, so y'all get back to the DDA. You pull Kit. Well, actually, you could just pull him up to the front of the building, or I guess you'd want to go in the garage, yeah, or whatever y'all want to do.
Pull up on the sidewalk, get out, let him turn into a little mini car again.
Yeah.
Pick him up and put him in my pocket. All right, well, elevator?
Yeah. I think I'm ready to hit the hay.
The pile of hay.
Yeah, the pile of hay.
All right, so walk towards the elevator with Manrose's food in hand.
Oh, good morning.
Yeah, good.
What's
good
that
morning,
smell?
Manrose. Oh, it's a chug burger with your name on it.
It smells greasy and delicious.
I'm sure it is. And I hand him the bag of food.
Yeah, I had one like it. It's pretty good.
Oh, that'll be nice. So, are you turning in?
Yeah, I'm pretty exhausted. I think I need to turn in.
All right. He takes you all to your individual floors, and y'all get a full day's rest.
A full day.
A full day. Before Z.OUS gets out of the elevator to go to his floor, I'll hand him all my junk from Chugburger. So my wrappers and my coffee cup. Like, here you go for the pile.
Hey,
Have a good
thanks,
night,
man.
Z.OUS.
How good of you to remember.
Y'all are gonna crash
course.
from the caffeine from the coffees. But yeah, y'all are able to rest, get your spell slots back, full 8 hours, uninterrupted.
I think Sylvia's going to be working on a video before she goes to bed.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, she's going to make a video of the pigeons, and in the middle of it, so she's going to say, a lot of people don't know this, but pigeons are not actually real. They are government drones. I wasn't aware that there were so many people who didn't realize this. Just an informative, quick video. But I do want to say that I did meet one of my favorite followers, and then she's gonna do a quick, little cameo video for Venom.
Yeah,
I love you.
Mellow Wizard 75.
Yeah, for Mellow Wizard. I met Mellow Wizard 75, and I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, you mean more to me than you will ever know, and I appreciate you.
Are you posting the video too?
Or is it?
Yeah, it's a video. Oh, in the morning. Okay.
Yeah, she's posting it. She's scheduling it for in the morning.
Well, I guess it would be afternoon.
Or yeah, afternoon, because she already did one recently.
Intro and outro music by Nico Rodriguez. Head on over to dreadtechinc.com for everything on the show and other Creative Typo productions.
They found us. Dump the connection, Blip.
Yogsonik Dynamics apologizes for the unscheduled interruption. Remain calm as we locate the nearest re-education facility. You may proceed, user 8342167. Have a Yogsonik day.
Lucky Land Casino, asking people, what's the weirdest place you've gotten lucky?
Lucky? In line at the deli, I guess?
Aha, in my dentist's office. More than once, actually.
Do I have to say?
Yes, you do.
In the car before my kids' PTA meeting.
Really?
Yes.
Excuse me, what's the weirdest place you've gotten lucky?
I never win and tell.
Well, there you have it. You can get lucky anywhere, playing at LuckyLandSlots.com. Play for free right now. Are you feeling lucky? No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited by law. 18+. Terms and conditions apply. See website for details.